In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Yahoo Mail emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the attachment option, how to select the right files from your device, and how to confirm they're properly added to your message. To begin, make sure you're in Yahoo Mail and composing a new email. Look around the message toolbar for the attachment option, which appears as a small paperclip icon. It's typically located near the bottom of the Compose window, close to the Send button or alongside formatting tools. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand the toolbar or maximize your browser so the icon is visible. Once you spot the paperclip, you're ready to add your files. Click the paperclip to open your device's file picker. This is where you browse to the folder that contains the file or files you want to attach, such as documents, downloads, or your desktop. Select the file you need, like a PDF, image, spreadsheet, or presentation. If you're attaching more than one, you can usually select multiple files at once by holding Control or Command while clicking, or Shift to select a range. If you prefer, you can repeat the paperclip action to add another file later. As you choose files, keep size and format in mind so they're easy for your recipient to open, and consider using clear file names that help explain the contents. After you confirm your selection, Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the files. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then the attachments will appear inside the Compose window, usually as small tiles or thumbnails beneath the subject line and message body. This is your visual confirmation that the files are attached and ready to go. If you change your mind about a file, remove it by clicking the small X or trash icon on the attachment tile, then reattach the correct one using the paperclip again. If an upload takes longer than expected, it's often due to file size or internet speed. Giving it a moment usually does the trick. At this point, your files are attached, visible in the draft, and ready to send along with your message. Before you hit send, quickly scan the attachment area to ensure you included everything you intended and that no extra or outdated files remain. If a file is very large, consider compressing it to make sending and receiving smoother. That's all there is to it. You've located the paperclip, selected your files, and confirmed they appear in your email. Simple, reliable, and ready to share.